Hey guys, it's Michael again. I'm back from Affiliate World in Dubai. Holla at you people who were out there. It was a great time. Got some Dubai sun, got some Dubai shopping, got some Dubai new offers. You want to talk about that? Supplemental sales have been predictably amazing to start Q1, and there's still more of it to go. So let's get into the top 5 Nutra offers for March of 2025, and we're going to find your next offer. And by the way, if you stick to the end, we have really cool top offers cheat sheet you can grab with strategies for promoting any of these top offers, and you can copy the ideas from ClickBank's new AI tools. So let's do this. Let's get into the top 5 offers. At number 5, we got Kerassentials. Kerassentials is a classic ClickBank product in the beauty niche that affiliates are finding tons of success with, earning 5 or even 6 figures per day. This offer boasts a grade A prime VSL created by a top copywriter and is presented by a seasoned doctor in the fungus subniche. The product's unique formula combines fungus, resulting in improved nails and skin. Look at these things. Just look. Actually, no, don't look at them. They're kind of awful, and it's making me kind of sick and kind of gross. And you get the vibes. Kerassentials performs best with a broad audience aged 35 plus interested in alternative health, skincare, and immune system boosting. Affiliates can earn more than $1 in EPC on this one, with the potential for boosting their commissions based on volume. If you're interested, be sure to check out the offer owner for more information, and we'll have it below. Okay, so let's talk about these stats. We got an earnings per click of $1.12, an average payout value of $110.61, and a hot conversion rate of 1.02%. All in all, those are amazing stats. Because we're going into a new month, we're in the last month of Q1, just remember some of these health offers, some are gonna start climbing because diet and weight loss starts to die down, people are starting to look for other things. Otherwise, sometimes they may be too pumped up because everyone's like, I got a new year, new me, I gotta get my health in gear and all that, so you might see it drop a little bit. So take a look at those numbers, keep an eye out on them. These are great benchmarks to look at, and then use your brain and test them out. Okay, next up is PotentStream. This is a unique dropper product targeting prostate health backed by a Harvard study on toxic minerals in water affecting the bladder and prostate. Its formula aims to reduce prostate enlargement and urinary tract infections, offering benefits like improved bladder control, enhanced libido, and increased energy. It's all primarily targeted at men over 45 with prostate issues. It boasts an earning per click of $1.16 for affiliates across popular traffic sources like email, native ads, paid social, and Google. If you've got an audience who might be interested in this PotentStream, then you really gotta go and test this one because it works great on men's audiences. Now let's just look at those numbers, shall we? We got an earnings per click of $1.16, an average payout value of $117.80, and a hot conversion rate of 0.99%. I mean, damn, it's really good. So go, promote it. If you're looking at these offers and being like, man, how do I get started? I mean, the copy, I'm not too great at the copy, or man, I don't know what like creatives to use or anything, and it's just so overwhelming. Well, we got a product for you to start that fire, and it's called Ember. Great AI tool for really dialing in that ad copy, that sales copy for your creatives, so you can get out there and start making money and start getting conversions. And click the link below right here, and you get to be able to try it out. You know you want to, because heck, you want to make some money. I want you to make some money. I want us all to make some money. You know what? So go, click it, start that fire, get that ember. Get that heat. Okay, at offer number 3, we got ProDentim, and it is a classic that everyone knows and loves because it's a form of a probiotic candy that targets audiences at the age of 35 plus looking to solve those dental issues. I mean, look at them teeth. Everyone wants better teeth. I mean, I want whitened teeth. I'm looking at my teeth right there in the prompter, and I wish they were whiter. Don't you? Yeah, you want me to have whiter teeth, and I want you to have whiter teeth, and I want everyone else to have whiter teeth. So promote this product because you'll get them those whiter teeth, improved breath, better sinus health, and enhanced digestion. If you've tuned into any ClickBank thing or any top offers thing, you've probably been hit headfirst with ProDentim. And there's no question why, because it just converts. So go and talk to their affiliate management team right in the marketplace and start promoting it. And why it has an earnings per click of $1.12, an average payout value of $131.03, and a hot conversion rate of 0.87%. It is amazing. The fact that it continues to do this year after year after year, like it's amazing. And if you're looking at that hop conversion rate and being like, it's only below 1%, there's a ton of affiliates who continue to promote this. And as the season goes on out of this, hey, got to lose weight for the new year, and people are focusing on different things, ProDentim is one of those offers that just always kicks up again. So go, promote it, test it, it's great. Okay, back in the top 5, we got Nitric Boost Ultra, which is a 100% natural remedy for erectile dysfunction. Offering affiliates a 70% commission per sale, and the product features clinically tested ingredients for addressing ED issues. As an affiliate for Nitric Boost, you'll enjoy high earnings potential with that offer that can make you scale up thanks to Nitric Boost contests and bonuses, and you know, it just makes things stick up. You also get plenty of email swipes, tracking pixels, and handy images on hand to make the cash register ring or just to put in your private folder on your phone. They are great for promoting to a men's audience, and they have great numbers. So let's talk about that. We have an earnings per click of 63 cents, an average payout value, $136.04, a hot conversion rate of 0.54%, and you're probably thinking, those are lower than everybody else's. This is not as good as the other ones. I don't know why I'm gonna promote it. Let me tell you why you're gonna promote it. Because this has a wide amount of affiliates promoting it, and the ones who are getting the best conversions are converting well above $1 EPC. They're getting an average payout value of above $136 and a hot conversion rate that's closer to 1% and to 1.2%. Those are the winners. And so when we look at this and you take the full example and you're like, ah, man, that's that. There are a lot of people who go to the winners and then kind of drag it down. This one is a great converter for those who are experienced. So if you're experienced, you got that juice, go test it, promote it. Last but not least, I'm excited to share this month's #1 offer, and you know what it is. Actually, you don't know what it is because I'm about to tell you. NanoDefense Pro. This is a space-inspired antifungal solution to tackle nail fungus with a unique formula containing NASA-grade nano ingredients. By utilizing particles 50,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair, NanoDefense Pro can penetrate the protective fungal cocoon, leading to self-destruction of the fungus. And this product converts best with men and women who are over 30 who are seeking alternative solutions to toenail health. So if you look at that audience of 30 plus instead of 45 plus or 50 plus, hey, look at that audience, so large. That's why it's converting so well. Affiliates promoting NanoDefense Pro are offered a potential average commission of nearly $150 per sale, with extra bonuses available for high volume sales. The product is optimized for all top platforms and performs well with audience interests like nail fungus, remedies, surgical alternatives, toenail itching relief. So it works really great for targeting. So go check out the marketplace and just take a look at these EPCs. We got $1.06 on the EPC. We got an average payout value of $144.87, a hot conversion rate of 0.73%, and it's got a giant general audience. If you're thinking about top of funnel, how many people you're able to just target before you even lay an ad down, that's a great audience. So you're gonna wanna go and promote it so you know it's gonna work on paid. So, go, promote it. Okay, we got one more thing for you before you go. We have a brand new cheat sheet you can find in the link description with a suggested hook for each of these top offers. Yeah, you heard me right. And it is courtesy of ClickBank's new AI content tool, Ember. Light that fire, y'all. So enjoy. And as always, do the liking and subscribing if you got value from this. And just stay tuned for more top offers, delicious goodness. You know the vibes. Happy scaling. Get out there. Make some money, y'all.